Look up. Right.
Okay.
Boom.
Good luck. Whoa.
Speed, go. This is gonna take a while, so you can take a nap if you want. It feels like I'm gonna fall out of the ride.
It's gonna hurt so much here.
It feels like I'm falling out of the thing. It feels like I'm falling out.
Second. You see the track as well. That's
Ready. It feels like so scary. It feels like if we
look at the park.
go to the right too much left, I mean, we'll fall. Yeah. Oh, 3, 2,
This one was very
I want
chill.
to do this again. This is good.
This one was very chill. The air, I like the air.
Yeah, me too.
It's really good. This is like Goliath, but better.
The feeling of
The tears
speed.
because of the wind.
Yeah, the feel.
Fantastic.
It's even better feeling of speed.
Yeah, I know.
I rode the fastest coaster in the world. It felt something like this, but I was not in the front row.
Oh.
So I can.
He had goggles on for that ride.
Whoa,
That's fast.
It didn't feel very fast. I mean, it was fast, but like,
The acceleration was.
yeah.
When you went down.
But the airtime was weak, relatively.
Yeah, that was not that much airtime.
No, it was. But we are at the front. If we are at the back, maybe you'll do this. But
I thought my tummy would hurt even more, but it was.
we should do this some more. But let's go back to the car first. Do I have to jump?
Yeah. Oh, that makes me happy. At the first part, it kind of hurt my leg.
The speed is really, yeah, it did a bit like that. The speed is good, but the airtime is